Agile methodology is a way of managing projects, especially in software development, that focuses on flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Here's a detailed yet simple explanation. Key concepts of Agile methodology. 1. Flexibility. Agile is all about being flexible and adaptable to changes. Unlike traditional methods where everything is planned from the start, Agile allows for changes even late in the project. 2. Iterative process. Work is divided into small chunks called iterations or sprints, which usually last 2 to 4 weeks. Each sprint includes planning, designing, building, testing, and reviewing. This way, you can regularly check progress and make adjustments. 3. Customer collaboration. Agile emphasizes working closely with customers or end users to understand their needs and get regular feedback. This ensures that the product being developed meets their expectations. 4. Cross-functional teams. Teams in Agile are cross-functional, meaning they include members with various skills, developers, testers, designers, etc., working together. This promotes better communication and faster problem solving. 5. Regular meetings. Agile involves frequent meetings to keep everyone on the same page. Daily stand-ups. Short meetings to discuss what was done yesterday, what will be done today, and any obstacles. Sprint planning. Before each sprint, the team plans what work will be done. Sprint review. At the end of each sprint, the team reviews what was completed and gets feedback. After each sprint, the team discusses what went well and what can be improved. 6. Continuous improvement. Agile encourages teams to continuously reflect on their work and processes to find ways to improve and be more efficient. Benefits of Agile. Adaptability. Easy to respond to changes and new requirements. Faster delivery. Regular sprints ensure quicker releases of product increments. Higher quality. Continuous testing and feedback lead to a better product. Increased customer satisfaction. Frequent interactions with customers ensure the product meets their needs. Popular Agile frameworks. 1. Scrum focuses on small teams working in sprints with roles like Scrum Master and Product Owner. 2. Kanban uses a visual board to manage work items, focusing on continuous delivery. 3. Lean emphasizes reducing waste and delivering value to the customer efficiently. Example: imagine you're building a mobile app. Instead of planning everything up front, you start by creating a basic version in a few weeks. Sprint 1. You show it to the customer, get feedback, and then plan the next sprint to add more features or make improvements. This cycle continues, allowing you to adapt to changes and ensure the customer is happy with the final product. In summary, Agile methodology is a dynamic and collaborative approach to project management that focuses on delivering value quickly and efficiently while being open to change and continuous improvement.